Hey friends, it's me Birg. Today I am in my work planner, my YouTube planner, and I've got to get October down. I wanted to get this down as soon as possible. I have got a planner Kate. It's kit 746. Isn't this adorable? I also got the Deco stickers with it. I just thought this month was cute. I love the little pumpkins, and we've got the sidebars and things like that. So I'm real excited to get this down today. All right, so you've not seen my work planner. This is the Happy Planner Classic. And the thing I like about this planner is it's an 18-month school planner. So it goes all the way up to October 2026. I have the other months here, but we're gonna use this month at this time, obviously. Okay, so here we go. Let's get these down first. I love this. October. And then this goes here. And this is great. These are pretty sets. I like planner Kates. They fit well. And this is the classic monthly set. So it fits perfect in this planner. And now let's do this. I'm gonna do the days here. This starts with Sunday. The months always start with Sunday and the weeks start with Monday. I don't know why they do that, but anyway, it kind of works. I like the weeks starting with Monday because then you got the weekend over here when it's a week, when it's a weekday. So I do like that. All right, let's get these down. How cute is this set? It's got bats and pumpkins and ghosts. Oh my. I hope your month is going well. Ours is going pretty good. It's been a lot less stressful than September, I can tell you that. So I am happy, happy, happy. So we had our daughter visit. This month I've had my birthday, October 4th. We watched a football game. We're hitting a play at a dinner theater this week. Friday? I'm a little off here. Okay. We're going to hit a dinner theater. We've just had lots going on, and I have been filming like crazy. I just loved buying fall stuff, and I kind of bought a bunch of it. So I want to get it filmed for you guys so you can see it. These layouts are adorable, and they're all cute. Now, I don't do spooky stuff, so I'm not into the spooky. You're going to find nice, cutesy or fun or something like this. So that's what I do. I'm not really into the other stuff. All right, let's do these down here. And what I do in this planner is I kind of plan out my month, and that helps me figure out what to film when, and then I can come up with the DIYs and the crafty things that I want to do for the month. And it just is really nice. I like it. And I can see it all at once because I don't only do this. I have, of course, my giftmailer.com that has great gifts and things on it with my Etsy store. And I've got to be updating that. And so I have to be able to work all this in. Plus, I have to be able to do my actual part-time job that I have, which is helping at my husband's business. So I have a lot on my plate, and I find that planning this out helps me get everything done that I need to get done. So September was very stressful for us. I had a huge work project, and I didn't really get to film much. I looked at my report from YouTube that said how many videos I uploaded, and I just got to upload 3. So this month I've already loaded way more than 3. So we're getting back into the groove of things. Summer was a little slow too with all the vacations, and then of course I wanted to spend time with my daughter while she was here. So there were just that kind of thing, and I was a little discombobulated. Oh, these are cool. I thought this was a whole strip. It's not. These are little boxes. So we're going to put boxes up here, and these cover the boxes that are, plain, that don't have dates on them. And then we're going to do this one. Okay. And then you can use this to do something. I can write in here if I want to. And then one of these I will put down here so I can put some little notes if I want to. Isn't that cute? Aren't these great how they just absolutely fit perfectly in this classic? Now, I also have, as you know, my personal planner is the, it's the Happy Planner Big. So these, I also use these in that, and they work just perfectly fine. There's a little space above them, but it's not that big of a deal, honestly. I don't mind it, and I do that with a lot of stuff. The vertical kits usually cover the big, and they also have the classic ones, and I think this is a 1.52 here. Might be a little smaller, I don't know. But anyway, they work. You know, I don't mind a little whimsy in my stuff. So anyway. So as far as planning for my YouTube, I really would love to know what you guys want. If you could put in the comments what you want me to cover, I'll be glad to work something up and get that covered for you. I really do want to do a live, and I think I'm going to try it. I got messed up on my live on September because, again, I had a huge work project that I had to do. And then on top of that, and I've said this in several videos, my daughter got sick, and so we had to go up and stay there with her for a week. And, you know, it was not something I could throw my, you know, my stuff in. Although I did take my planner, I just couldn't film and do all that while I was trying to take care of her. That would have been too much. So anyway, that's the way the ball bounces, right? You go through some of those time periods where things are crazy and you just can't get what you want done, and then you have productive time. So we're hoping that October, November, December are going to be really productive, right? Aren't these date covers cute? I like the black and the white. That really stands out. You know, sometimes you do it and the colors are so muted that you just really can't see the dates, but these are clear and I like it. That's what I love about Planner Kate. She has all different styles, and I have ordered several of her Christmas stuff, so you're gonna see that. I also have some, I believe, of the fall stuff. I'm pretty sure I have some fall stuff too of hers, and I'll be covering that later in the month. We've got Thanksgiving, don't forget that month is coming up. So we've got all of those to work out. I've got my health planner, which I've been putting up, that I'm doing layouts in. I've got this planner, I've got my personal planner, and I may pop in my work planner at some point here, because I do have a lot of things to show you all that I'm very excited about. There's just been some really cute, I found some really new and cute sticker companies. If you haven't seen the River Ink one, I just did that layout. And coming up at Christmas, there's gonna be so many cute layouts. So check those out. And November is going to be awesome and fun. I'm going to also try to do a dashboard, dare I say it, a dashboard, which I really do like to do. I like to do creative things on those because I think it's really helpful to have a dashboard with some different stuff. If you have not seen yet my non-spooky Halloween, no Halloween, or excuse me, the wood, if you have not seen the Woodlands, I'm sorry, not Woodlands, the Squirrely Acorn, you should watch that one. I've got cute things that I've done up here and on the sidebar. They're totally different, and they're just gonna make you help you savor the month and really do things right. Okay, so here's that. Now, isn't this great? Now I'm gonna note Halloween because we're not gonna work on Halloween. And I do note on here, isn't that cute? Look at how adorable this layout is. I just love it. This is Planner Kate again. It's very cute. Let's put some cute stuff on it now. Let's go for some ghosts up here. And this planner's great. It has plenty of room for me to write. And in the weeks, I can write the information here. I can throw ideas up here. I am trying to constantly plan. And then it's also got, this one does not have it yet. It has a little dashboard here, so you can do stuff on that as well. I can take notes. I can do the theme for the month. It just works out well for me. So let's do this. We'll put a heart here. And let's do a pumpkin up here since I did a ghost, a jack-o'-lantern. Those are so cute. Look at how fun. Now, have you guys fall decorated? I've got my pumpkins out on my porch. It's getting a little crisp here in Florida. I love the weather. Now, tonight it wasn't so crisp. It was pretty muggy when I let the dog out. And Moopsie the cat is doing well. Maddie Lee Moopsie, she's fitting in well. The dogs are not so sure about her, but they're getting it together. It's gonna all work out well. So So stay tuned. Sometimes you'll see her. She does pop up here and she likes to get up here. She's not up here tonight though. It's not time. I love how, look at how she's done the flowers with this that just add a little extra. Yeah, the flowers make it very nice and pretty. I just love this. The colors are, you know, Halloween, but they're kind of muted. They're not so dark. As I said, I don't do spooky Halloween. Do you do spooky Halloween? I just don't like spooky. I've never liked, you know, spooky movies. But I tell you what I do like. I do like a murder mystery. And I just picked up the Thursday Murder Club. And I started reading that. And I stopped reading Macy Dobbs. It was slow. It was very slow. I need a fast book. All right. So here's what I'm going to do in here. I'm going to put these dots so that I can, oh, here's the list thing. This is what I was looking for. Okay, so I need to redo this. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see. See if I can pull these up. I can pull the bottom ones up. That's fine. That is good. Good enough for government work, right, y'all? Good enough. That's what we go for. Good enough here at Made with Birg. It's good enough. Plus, I'll put it down lower. I like how I can put it over. I wonder if I can just get that part up. Then, here we go. Perfect. Look at that, y'all. I did it. Okay, perfect. Now, let's put these back in place. Oh, planners. You know, you never know. We have to always pull up a little bit. Otherwise, it wouldn't be fun, right? We can't just have a layout that doesn't have extra pull-ups on it. Okay, so what I'll do here is then I put out my schedule, what I want to put out each day, each time period, what I want to do, and then we're going to put this month up here because I think that's important. And then I can write this month's theme or ideas and things like that. Let's do Hello October. That's cute. We'll put that up here. And I can add some more of these little things if we want to do that. Let's add a little here. Some leaves. We can put some leaves falling. Let's do a little bit more. Sorry. We gotta get our pumpkins in there. That's my favorite. Little jack-o'-lanterns. Do you do jack-o'-lanterns at home? I do. I like jack-o'-lanterns. Then I can spread these around all month as I put things in. I can add more of these little stickers around. Didn't this planner Kate layout turn out so cute? It is kit 746. I'm going to link it below. But I love how this looks. It's actually inspiring, and I hope it's inspired you today. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I know you could choose to do all kinds of other things, and I really appreciate it. So if you love planning, crafts, maybe a little creativity, you're in the right place. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and keep on planning. Bye.